When you are looking for a motorhome, what is the one thing you look for? The number one feature? That would be floor plan, right? Maybe you want a sofa, maybe you want theater seats, maybe you want a dinette. Maybe you're saying, oh, I would take it if it had a sofa. I'd take it if it had a dinette. Guess what? This is the 2027 Hurricane 36H, and it has all the options, so no excuses. Don't scroll past this video. Spend some time with me. I'm just asking for a couple minutes with your old pal Steve to walk you through everything you get in the 36H, like sleeping for 6 and seatbelts for 9. We have this great table right here, morning coffee. You can't beat it. So let's talk about our sofa. Here we go, seatbelts for the ride, and it makes into a bed. This is not a jackknife, no. This folds out. This is a sofa bed. We're talking sleeping for 2 here, and you have the drop-down bunk. You're gonna get sleeping there. We also have the Dream Dinette. The always versatile Dream Dinette, cup holders for the ride, storage down below. This pushes down, makes into a bed. TV is right here on a televator. Very clever name for it. Smart TV right here. WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot on board, so stream away. 84 inches of ceiling height. 13,500 BTU AC, so plenty of comfort when you are here at the theater seat area. What are you gonna do here? Plan out the trip, have a meal, enjoy the ambiance of the fireplace. You can do whatever you want because it's your 36H. Maybe you're gonna play a game. Maybe you're gonna have some pretzels because everybody loves pretzels when they're camping. I read that somewhere. No, I didn't, I'm just making that up right now. Huge kitchen, campsite kitchen, pull out extension for whatever you need, and plenty of room up here for the coffee maker, the sink. You have a microwave, a 3-burner gas cooktop. You have an oven right here. Your 36H is a bath and a half model, so all of your guests up front have their own bathroom, which is really nice. I want to point out real quick as we head back, our massive refrigerator with indoor ice and water. Washer dryer prep back here, smart TV, massive, massive closets, a king size bed on a tilt-a-view mechanism, so comfort wherever you go. And that takes us finally into a rear bath. The rear bath setup, so hard to beat. Oh man, remember this is 38 feet 3 inches. You get all of this, the shower, the medicine cabinet. I sound like an infomercial. You get all of this in the 36H. You actually get a lot more. So let's cut the sales pitch and let you discover the 36H on your own by visiting thormotorcoach.com.